Hello everybody and welcome back to another Bedwars video. Today we're going to be playing with PhoenixSlayer303. He is my teammate for this game, and it seems like one of the yellow guys just disconnected, so that is good news. Because it's a 2v1. When PhoenixSlayer303 seems to be lagging. It was like lagging when I saw him lagging. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So it seems like yellow hasn't defended his bed yet. Right. This needs to be a quality Bedwars video. I like to record Bedwars. Seems like PhoenixSlayer303 just fell in the void. Maybe he might have did that to like get rid of the lag. Alright, we're gonna slowly bridge over. We're gonna do this. Are you AFK or what? Oh no, you're not AFK! No! Okay, well at least we got the bed though. That's what matters. We got the bed. Oh, PhoenixSlayer303 is lagging. Oh no! Alright, we're gonna get a pickaxe and an axe. Alright. Okay. We're gonna see if we can take out yellows. Okay, PhoenixSlayer303 just got kicked for being AFK. I think he's okay, that took so much. Oh my god. Come on! Ah! Yes, there we go. That is some great PvP skills. And I can't really get back. I'm just gonna jump off. Whee! Alright. Okay, we're gonna build over to the Diamond Island. So we can get some team upgrades. Woo! Team upgrades. What else can you ever do for upgrades? I hope no one builds over to us. We're gonna build over to the Diamond Island. Oh, did he reconnect? Oh no, he didn't. He said WTF in the chat. I think he'll probably reconnect soon. We're gonna get Iron Forge and some reinforced armor. So Iron Forge, reinforced armor, and life will be fantastic. Whoa, what? Alright, we're gonna do this. I just took out yellow team. Oh, I also have cosmetics. You know, did you notice I got that lightning effect when I got that final? That's cosmetics. Cause I paid coins to get it. Alright, perfect. Hello. Alright, get diamonds. Oh, someone's asking me to join their party. I'm sorry, I'm in a party. I'm too lazy to message you. Too lazy. Oh. Alright. Here we go. I don't know, should I go mid, maybe get some obsidian? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go mid, see if I can get obsidian. I think obsidian is gonna be good. It's gonna be a good bed defense. We'll just grab a bit more wool and see if we can get some obbies. This, put them into each ender chest. No, we're gonna get one more diamond. We're gonna get sharpened swords, and then, well, okay, that scared me. But yeah, we're gonna get sharpened swords, and then we're gonna see if we can get obsidian. Yes, get on. Alright, sharpened swords. Okay. Here we go. hope no one's behind me. Okay. Oh, Aqua's going to mid. Oh, no, 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 no. Please. Come on. Come on, Aqua. I'm not here. No, I'm not here. Come on, why would you build a bridge like that? PhoenixSlayer303, what have you done? Our bed's gonna get broken. Come on. You shouldn't have built a bridge like that. Oh, Phoenix Slayer. Oh, come on, PvP skills! Oh! That PvP skills was amazing! That was some incredible PvP skills right there. Oh yeah! That is just incredible. That PvP skills. But I'm gonna get an iron sword. Oh wait, hold on. I can get some golems. I'm gonna sell for a bow. I'm gonna get a stone sword. Alright. Time for me to calm down. Okay, okay. I need to get back to my base. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, we'll give. Okay. Oh yeah, we'll give you negative 236 FPS for 2 hours. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. That's like that's a lot of stuff in this chest, ender chest. Yeah, I think I have enough for a power bow and an iron sword. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna get an iron sword and an iron golems. Perfect. Okay, and we're gonna camp here for a bit. Here. Okay. All right. PhoenixSlayer303 says I'm gonna quit Minecraft soon. No, don't give up that easily. Don't give up that easily. Spam! Don't do it! You should not quit Minecraft. Don't quit Minecraft. What game are you gonna play other than Minecraft? Fortnite? No way. Don't turn into a Fortnite zombie. Alright. Alright. I know what should I get. I'm gonna get... Oh, I haven't got a trap. I'll get some trap. I need to get some blocks. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna get some diamonds, I guess. Cause I'm giving up Minecraft because I'm gonna break my one and only computer into bits. I'm gonna torture basically. Oh no. Come on, Phoenix Slayer. I can't do videos with you if you do that. Don't do that. Should never do that. Should never, ever quit Minecraft. The most horrible thing to do in your life is to quit Minecraft. And you should not do that. I'm gonna get golden forge. You should not quit Minecraft. Yeah. Quitting Minecraft is not a good thing to do. Not a good thing to do. By the way, when recording long vids, just make it into parts instead. This recorder after it doesn't let me record until I do something with the other. This screen recorder is called Screen Recorder 2.0. You could call it Screen-O-Matic. Alright. Okay, okay, I need to break Aquabed. Because if I don't, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna be dead meat. What? Yeah. Alright. Oh well, whatever. Oh no, I'm dead. No, 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 no. Ah! Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't kill me. Don't you dare do it. Oh my god, Aqua is Obby? No! No! What? Aqua! They got obsidian. They have obsidian. No! Oh well. Oh my god, they have a bow. They have a bow. No! No! Oh god, I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running for my life. I'm holding my two golems. No! No, 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 no. Run away, run away, run away. Run like it. Run, 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 run. Golems! Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh god, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. No, please don't do this to me. Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, GG. GG. Alright. Okay. Well, unfortunately, this is gonna be the end of this video because time has run out. So bye. Goodbye. So yeah, we're gonna goodbye. But hold on. Before I say goodbye, remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. The real for now. Bye.